The event is wonderful. It's fantastic to see all the people here and all the wonderful ladies who are going to be awarded today. And I really appreciate Jyoti Agarwal for taking an initiative, who is the main founder for Matu Mom. And she is a fantastic person to know, and I really appreciate for all the efforts that she's taking to make women and empower women into better human beings and also get them to show the change they have made in the society.
The fabric jewelry which are made by tailors, जो हमारे जो लोकल टेलर्स होते हैं उनके पास से बना हुआ है, ये कारीगर्स बनाते हैं. एंड टेराकोटा ऑल्सो मेड बाय पॉटर्स. ये टेराकोटा ज्वेलरी है, वो पॉटर्स बनाते हैं. जो नॉर्मल उनका काम होता है दिया और मटके वो सब बनाना, बट फॉर मी दे आर डूइंग दिस ब्यूटिफुल ज्वेलरी ऑल्सो. और वी हैव दिस काइंड ऑफ मार्बल नेकलेसेस. सी, these are the marble jewelry, or it's quite unique with others. We have earrings, we have a wide range of handicrafted jewelry, or we try to make something unique. And
I'm Preeti Mishra, and I'm the founder for Rainbow Bridge, and this is an initiative of Rainbow Bridge called as Atman Toys, in which we craft earth-friendly and handmade toys, which are very, very consciously crafted. The materials that we use in these are silk, cotton, and also sheep wool.
Hello everyone, we are from Entice. We are participating in PIFA Awards. Entice is a brand of KGK which was launched in 1905, and KGK launched its first retail showroom in India in Jaipur, and then in Mumbai. So in Mumbai we have a diamond factory plus our showroom in Borivali East. So please do visit. It's Entice is a brand of real diamond jewelry, and it is one of the finest jewelry that you will find over here.
I think it is about bringing the women who brings change in the society, and of course they have taken a very good initiative to promote women who are doing well in their own field. So yes, these guys are really doing very great.
Also the Matu Mom.
Yeah.
The journey begins from Matu Mom. Please can you explain that?
Well, Matu Mom is a woman who is taking care of her own child, and then the journey begins from house to the office to their own field, going out, working and creating their own self-identity. So that is how Matu Mom reflects.
So what's your inspiration about this? I guess you are also a mom.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So what's your inspiration about the same thing?
See, being a mom doesn't mean that you should sit at home and just taking care of your own son or daughter. It's about creating your own identity also. So going out, working and creating your self-identity is all about Matu Mom journey.
Okay, thank you. Anything else you want to add about this?
Well, I'm Shweta Roy. I'm the owner of SR Queens Media Private Limited. I'm also in a field of creating difference among women, wherein I myself is a believer of self-love, and I really want that women should come forward and create their own identity, and of course they should come out of their own shell, and yes, so that's why I started this.
So what do you want to say from like you are getting the awards from
So first of all, I would like to thank Matu Mom, the PIFA community, and my entire family members, my clients, my husband, everyone. All of you deserve this, and this is dedicated to all of you.
Pinnacle Fame Awards 5th edition we are hosting here. Thank you to Auto Hanger Mercedes for hosting us here. और इसके पीछे कारण ये है कि एक छोटा सा एप्रिसिएशन किसी को बहुत आगे तक लेके जाता है. तो इसीलिए हमने ये शुरू किया. जो विमेन है वो इतना कुछ करती हैं, बट वो एक एप्रिसिएशन कि खाना कैसा बना है वो करने के लिए कोई तैयार.
So hi, I'm Dr. Sanjana. This is Dr. Pranali. We are here on behalf of Dr. Ketan to receive this award for her.
I feel completely
motivated because this is the first time as an ecopreneur I have been awarded, and also I am very very proud because this year I have been awarded as the best ecopreneur company of the year, and FIFA is a huge platform. I thank for this beautiful recognition. I feel completely humble and honored at the same time. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
And annoyed also, and amazing. It is, the feeling is very amazing. I would like to thank my family, my husband, my mother. Because of her support I am here, and the purpose coaching I am in.
Strong and powerful women, it's one amazing feeling. When you come to a stage like this, you kind of realize that there is so much talent and so talent from various states of India. So I think it is one great feeling to be under one roof, getting this award recognized for the kind of work. And thank you so much, Jyoti Agarwal and FIFA, for this recognition.
Mothers like us who want to restart their career but are not sure how to do it. So thank you so much, FIFA, and thank you so much, Ma to Mom community, for.
Within a year has been an amazing thing for me. So thank you Ma to Mom, thank you FIFA Awards, thank you Jyoti for recognizing, and thank you to all the juries for taking time out and going through everything. Thank you so much.
I would say it is a very amazing feeling, very motivating to get award in a prestigious event like this, where women from all walks of life getting awards for excellence in their field. It's very motivating.
Thank you so much, FIFA, for giving me this opportunity to take on the stage and recognizing my abilities. Thank you so much.
I am very glad to come here, and I am very happy to see all of this, and मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, और मैं ऑल्स हूँ, मैंने काफ़ी लोगों की लाइफ चेंज.
I want to say that this is an amazing initiative that FIFA is running. Ma to Mom, I think, is doing a wonderful job, because I think women need to be felicitated at every opportunity possible. So I'm really thankful to FIFA for doing this, and Ma to Mom and Jyoti and Tejal. So thank you so much, and I hope to keep.
Hello, I am Rashmi Malik. I am in Sustainable Jewelry. Thank you, FIFA. Thank you, Ma to Mom, Jyoti Agarwal, for giving me this.
What do you want to say about this?
Well, I am very honored because of what I've been through in domestic violence, and through my ordeal I got to change the law whereby all the women get equal opportunity to get protection under domestic violence, which was not so before. And this section 2Q was everybody behind me, especially my parents, my husband, my partner.
Thank you so much, Ma to Mom and FIFA Awards, for acknowledging our achievements. Thank you so much for recognizing us. Thank you.
Say that all these gorgeous women, after taking care of their homes, they take out time and organize like big events all by themselves. All the women powered show. So I feel very happy for them. See the cheer and.
My name is Dr. Sangeeta Shirname. I'm presenting Indian Society for Education and Development. हमारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सोशल वर्क.
मुझे अवार्ड मिला है इन्फ्लुएंसर ऑफ द ईयर. मैं कंटेंट क्रिएट करती हूँ इंस्टाग्राम पे. मेरा नाम है पूजा जांबोटकर और मेरे पेज का नाम है कांगा ट्रेनिंग इंडिया. मैं कहती हूँ पेरेंटिंग के बारे में, लाइफस्टाइल के बारे में, और ऑफकोर्स फिटनेस के बारे में.
Overwhelmed with this. This is called Mehnat Ka Kamai today. The fashion show which you have seen here is choreographed by me, and I'm super happy and excited to work with this amazing community, Ma to Mom.
और बहुत कुछ काम इस सिलसिले में किया गया है, तो ये बहुत अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है कि जो मतलब नॉन प्रोफेशनल लोगों के साथ में ये चीज़ की जा रही है, और उनको आगे बढ़ाने के लिए मौके दिए जा रहे हैं नए एंटरप्रेन्योर्स के लिए, और विमेन जो डिज़ाइनर्स हैं या फिर मॉडलिंग करना चाहती हैं, जो भी है, उन लोगों के लिए बहुत अच्छा एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है. दिस इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट प्लेटफॉर्म.
What do you want to say about this?
आई थिंक ज्योति मुझे कुछ साल पहले मिली थी एक और अवार्ड फंक्शन में, और उन्होंने मुझे बताया कि ऐसे करके वो पोर्टल चलाती है. एंड आई सेड ये ऐसी एक चीज़ है जो I think you can't take away from a woman. So बहुत ही अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है.
एक्चुअली मेरा गाने का अप्रिसिएशन मिला है यहाँ पे, जिसका नाम है मुझे उड़ने दो, जो इंडमस चैनल पे रिलीज़ हुआ है. और वो गाना है एनिमल्स के ऊपर कि उनकी जो दशा है आज के वर्ल्ड में, लोगों को सेंसिटिविटी मिले उनके लिए, और उनके लिए भी भावनाएं हम रखें. वी नीड टू चेंज.
मैम आज आपको अवार्ड मिला है फीफा 2020 पावर वुमेन्स अवार्ड, आपको क्या कैसा फील हो रहा है?
बहुत 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 इलेटेड फील हो रहा है. थैंक यू सो मच, स्पेशली because this is dedicated to powerful women and to empower them, and I feel privileged and it's really really grateful that you guys called me and I've been awarded this award. Thank you.
Ma'am, what do you want to say about Ma to Mom's journey?
Ma to Mom's journey is like.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Please can you sing some louder?
I appreciate Ma to Mom. Thank you so much. Actually, my field is basically men's work, but I.
Function which was organized by Ma to Mom, and it's good to see women being empowered, and I'm looking forward to many such events organized by Ma to Mom, and I wish them a lot of success.
I want to say that I'm very proud of my brand. I'm very proud of my brand, and I want to give people organic, chemical-free products. Keep on launching your products, new products in the market.
Apart from this, you want to add something more about this?
Yeah, definitely.
Apart from FIFA 2021, what do you want to say about this?
Hi everyone, I'm Anubha Goyal from Kiosh Events. I really thank Ma to Mom community, Jyoti Agarwal, FIFA Awards for giving me this honor. Thank you so much.
And I would like to say thanks to Jyoti who is giving me this award, and I am very glad to take this award. Thank you, Jyoti.
Thank you so much.
आप देख रहे हैं सक्षम न्यूज इंडिया, सबसे पहले सबसे तेज.